We're the guys from FurTehLelz here, and we're gonna make a nice thing for you guys.
I can't see anything!
We're gonna make some giant dicks out of snow, and then we're gonna chop them the fuck up with swords because we're that badass. I mean, come on. So yeah, sword time. And it's penis. Penis, everybody loves penis. Penis.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, so we got the penises made.
Can you tell what the swords are gonna be for?
This one's Curtis's because, you know, I don't fucking even know. It's the smallest thing in the world right there. We got this guy right here made Chode McGode over here with testicular cancer. Kissed it. And
like cum.
Then we got my big son of a bitch over here. Nuts are too big for him, but you know, it happens sometimes. So we're gonna chop these motherfuckers up. Because that's how we roll! Alright, so we had a bit of a mishap. I went to record Curtis chopping his dick, and thing died. But that's where it was. So, how do you feel? Yeah, I bet. Alright. Next up we got Aaron. Here you go, Aaron. Let's go. Ah! 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 My balls. Oh my god. How's it feel?
Feels pretty good to chop my nuts up.
Yeah, yeah. FurTehLelz.
Alright, so it's DJ's turn. And I don't even have to be on the ground for this one, so.
Which way should I go in at?
Either way is fine, man.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It didn't even cut. Got a big gash out of it, though. Hold up, let me see the gash. Oh my god. It didn't even go through it. Didn't quite cut through, though.
Alright, here we go. 5. Fuck it, go. What the fuck?
I'm not actually chopping it off.
Oh god, it's like lower.
That time.
You lowered it a level.
This should be the final blow.
It's the final countdown. Yeah! Dickstravaganza is dead. Don't forget your nuts. And the nuts. And he's eating the remnants of his nuts. We're done here. FurTehLelz.
Girl, I know you left me, but there was something I forgot to show you. Check it out, baby girl, you left me. Oh no, we broke up, and it's been a while since we last spoke, but I need another chance, can you give me that? Cause there's something in my pants, I could win you back. I wanna be your man again, but you left me like I'm Jennifer Aniston. And I know you said you never call, but girl, you ain't seen my balls. 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 You ain't seen my balls.
It's just the remnants of a dick that once was. That's the bar.
You just got hit in the balls with the snowball.
I can't see anything!